The journey of a messy dataset. Once upon a time, in the bustling world of machine learning, there lived a messy dataset named Robert. Robert was full of potential but riddled with problems. Missing values, inconsistent entries, and a chaotic mix of numbers and words. He dreamed of being part of a machine learning model that would change the world, but no one wanted to use him in his current state. One day, a skilled data scientist named Clara discovered Robert while browsing through the land of CSV files. She saw his potential and decided to help him on his journey to becoming a clean, reliable dataset. As Clara examined Robert, she noticed entire chunks of data were missing. "What happened here?" Clara asked. Robert sighed. "I've lost some of my values over the years. Some were never recorded, and others just disappeared." Clara used her magic tools, mean imputation, deletion, and interpolation, to fill in the gaps. Robert felt a little more complete. Next, Clara spotted clones of Robert's rows lurking in the shadows. "These duplicates are causing confusion," Clara exclaimed. With a wave of her wand, a Python script, she removed the duplicates. "Phew, I feel lighter now," said Robert, relieved. While exploring further, Clara encountered a group of rogue data points, outliers that didn't fit in with the rest. "You don't belong here," Clara scolded. Some were removed, while others were transformed to blend in. Robert stood taller, his rows more orderly. Clara noticed Robert was struggling with text values in his columns. "Look at these categories. Yes, no, and maybe. How do I turn them into something a machine can understand?" Using her powerful techniques, one-hot encoding and label encoding, Clara transformed the words into numbers. Robert smiled, feeling more machine-friendly than ever. Some of Robert's columns had values ranging from 0 to 1000, while others stayed between 0 and 1. "This imbalance is making me dizzy," Robert confessed. Clara applied normalization and standardization, ensuring all values were on the same scale. Now I'm balanced," Robert said gratefully. Clara noticed that Robert had inconsistent names like NY and New York for the same location. "This won't do," she said, standardizing the entries. Robert felt proud. He was finally consistent and coherent. Clara examined Robert's features and noticed some were irrelevant, while others had hidden potential. She removed redundant columns and created new ones, like converting a date column into year and month. Robert now felt smarter and more purposeful. Clara double-checked every corner of Robert. "All clean. You're ready for your big debut," she declared. Robert was finally transformed. He was no longer the messy, neglected dataset he once was. With Clara's help, he became the backbone of a powerful machine learning model that predicted outcomes and solved real-world problems. As Robert powered applications and made predictions, he remembered Clara's words. "A clean dataset is a powerful one. You've got the potential to change the world." And so, Robert's story became a legend in the land of machine learning.